In the labyrinth of the human brain lies a tiny yet profoundly mysterious organ, the pineal gland. Nestled deep within the center of our cerebral landscape, this enigmatic gland has captivated the imagination of thinkers, mystics and scientists alike for centuries. Despite its modest size, the pineal gland wields a significance far beyond its anatomical dimensions. At the crossroads of science and spirituality, the pineal gland has garnered a reputation as the seat of the soul and the gateway to higher realms of consciousness. Often veiled in metaphysical lore, it is associated with spiritual awakening, intuition, and the pursuit of enlightenment. As we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of this elusive gland, we find ourselves delving into realms where the boundaries between the physical and the metaphysical blur, and where the quest for understanding transcends the confines of conventional knowledge. What is the pineal gland? Anatomically, the pineal gland resembles a tiny pine cone nestled at the very core of the brain, hence its name derived from the Latin word pinealis. Despite its diminutive size, roughly equivalent to that of a grain of rice, its influence is vast and multifaceted. Functionally, the pineal gland plays a pivotal role as part of the endocrine system, a complex network of glands responsible for secreting hormones vital for regulating various bodily functions. Among its primary duties, the pineal gland serves as the body's internal timekeeper, orchestrating the delicate balance between wakefulness and slumber. Central to this function is the production and secretion of melatonin, often referred to as the hormone of darkness. In response to changes in light exposure, particularly the absence of light during nighttime, the pineal gland ramps up its melatonin production. This surge in melatonin levels acts as a biological signal, signaling to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for restorative sleep. In essence, the pineal gland serves as the conductor of our circadian rhythms, synchronizing our internal biological clock with the external cycles of day and night. Through its intricate interplay with light and darkness, the pineal gland exerts a profound influence not only on our sleep-wake cycles but also on various physiological processes crucial for overall health and well-being. Across epochs and civilizations, the pineal gland has been revered as more than just a physiological structure. It has been elevated to the status of a mystical symbol, imbued with profound spiritual significance. In the annals of history, traces of veneration for the pineal gland can be found in the sacred texts, art and practices of ancient civilizations spanning the globe. In the mystical traditions of Egypt, for instance, the pineal gland was often depicted symbolically as the Eye of Horus, representing divine insight and spiritual awakening. Similarly, in Hindu philosophy, the pineal gland corresponds to the Ajna chakra, the energy center believed to govern intuition, perception, and inner wisdom. Perhaps most famously, the pineal gland has been heralded as the third eye in various spiritual traditions, including those of ancient India and indigenous cultures. Positioned at the anatomical center of the brain, this small gland was thought to serve as a gateway to higher realms of consciousness, offering a direct conduit to divine wisdom and enlightenment. In the esoteric teachings of Eastern mysticism, the pineal gland is associated with the concept of duality transcended. The idea that through spiritual practice and inner exploration, one can overcome the limitations of the physical world and attain unity with the divine. Likewise, in Western occult traditions such as Hermeticism and alchemy, the pineal gland was revered as the seat of the soul, believed to be the locus of spiritual transformation and the alchemical process of inner transmutation. Throughout history, the pineal gland has served as a potent symbol of humanity's quest for transcendence, a tangible manifestation of our innate yearning for deeper meaning and connection to the cosmos. Across cultures and epochs, the reverence bestowed upon this small, pine cone-shaped gland speaks to the universal human desire to explore the mysteries of existence and unlock the boundless potential of the human spirit. Delving deeper into its physiological function, the pineal gland serves as a master regulator of our biological rhythms, orchestrating the intricate dance between light and darkness that governs our daily lives. At the heart of its operation lies the production and secretion of melatonin, a hormone that not only regulates our sleep-wake cycles, but also influences various physiological processes throughout the body. When exposed to darkness, the pineal gland synthesizes and releases melatonin into the bloodstream, signaling to the body that it's time to transition from wakefulness to sleep. This hormonal cascade helps synchronize our internal circadian rhythms with the external cues of day and night, ensuring optimal rest and rejuvenation. Beyond its role in sleep regulation, the pineal gland is increasingly recognized for its multifaceted influence on overall health and well-being. Studies have shown that disruptions in melatonin production, often stemming from factors such as artificial light exposure at night or irregular sleep patterns, can lead to a myriad of health issues, including sleep disorders, mood disturbances, and compromised immune function. Yet, the significance of the pineal gland transcends its purely physiological function. Across cultures and spiritual traditions, it is revered as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, a notion that finds resonance in both ancient wisdom and modern scientific inquiry. In the mystical traditions of yoga and meditation, for instance, the pineal gland is believed to serve as a conduit for higher consciousness, facilitating experiences of transcendence and inner illumination. Through dedicated spiritual practice, individuals seek to awaken and activate the latent potential of the pineal gland, harnessing its transformative power to attain states of expanded awareness and spiritual awakening. In the realm of modern science, burgeoning research into the pineal gland's role in consciousness and cognition offers intriguing insights into its potential as a nexus between the physical brain and the realm of consciousness. While much remains to be discovered, the convergence of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science suggests that the pineal gland may hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of human consciousness and our connection to the divine. In essence, the pineal gland stands as a testament to the profound interplay between the physical and the spiritual. A tiny yet potent gland that serves as a beacon of light amidst the vast expanse of human experience, guiding us on our journey of self-discovery and spiritual evolution. As the pineal gland awakens from its slumber, it bestows upon us subtle yet profound signs of its activation, heralding a transformational journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. One of the most notable indications of a stimulated pineal gland is an enhanced intuition, a heightened sensitivity to subtle energies, and intuitive insights that transcends the limitations of rational thought. As the pineal gland becomes attuned to the rhythms of the universe, individuals may find themselves guided by a deeper knowing, an inner wisdom that transcends the intellect. Alongside increased intuition comes a heightened spiritual awareness, a profound sense of connection to something greater than oneself. Through the activation of the pineal gland, individuals may experience a deepening of their spiritual practices, an expansion of consciousness that brings them into closer alignment with the divine. Another hallmark of pineal gland activation is the emergence of vivid dreams and enhanced dream recall. As the pineal gland becomes more active during sleep, dreams may take on a heightened clarity and intensity, offering glimpses into the hidden realms of the subconscious mind. With practice and patience, individuals can learn to harness the power of their dreams as a source of insight and inspiration on their spiritual journey. Moreover, an activated pineal gland is often accompanied by a sense of improved overall well-being, a harmonious balance of mind, body, and spirit that radiates from within. As the pineal gland aligns with the natural rhythms of the universe, individuals may experience greater vitality, inner peace, and a profound sense of purpose in life. While the signs of pineal gland activation may vary from person to person, there are certain practices that can help facilitate its awakening. Meditation, mindfulness, and other contemplative practices serve as potent tools for quieting the mind, cultivating inner stillness, and opening the gateway to higher states of consciousness. By incorporating these practices into daily life, individuals can nurture the activation of the pineal gland and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. In essence, the signs of pineal gland activation serve as guideposts on the path to enlightenment, gentle reminders of the innate potential that lies dormant within each of us. waiting to be awakened and unleashed upon the world. As we heed the call of the pineal gland and embark on the journey of self-realization, we unlock the keys to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Embarking on the journey of pineal gland activation opens up a realm of possibilities, inviting us to explore various techniques and practices that can help awaken this vital center of consciousness within us. Meditation. Guided meditation offers a powerful tool for directing awareness to the pineal gland. Through focused attention and visualization, individuals can cultivate a deep sense of connection to this sacred center, nurturing its activation and fostering inner harmony. Sun gazing. Safely gazing at the sun during the gentle rays of sunrise or sunset can stimulate the pineal gland and synchronize its rhythms with the natural cycles of light and darkness. This ancient practice, when approached with caution and reverence, allows individuals to absorb the nourishing energy of the sun, revitalizing body, mind, and spirit. Decalcification. Detoxifying the pineal gland from calcification caused by fluoride and processed foods is crucial for optimal functioning. By adopting a diet rich in organic, whole foods and minimizing exposure to environmental toxins, individuals can support the decalcification process and promote the health of the pineal gland. Sound healing. Listening to specific frequencies, such as the healing resonance of 432 Hz, can harmonize the vibrations of the pineal gland and facilitate its activation. Sound healing modalities, such as binaural beats or Tibetan singing bowls, offer powerful tools for entraining the brainwaves and accessing higher states of consciousness. Essential oils. Incorporating essential oils renowned for their spiritual properties, such as frankincense or sandalwood, can amplify the effects of pineal gland activation. Through aromatherapy or topical application, these sacred oils help to clear energetic blockages and awaken the dormant potential of the pineal gland. Crystals. Holding crystals like amethyst or clear quartz near the third eye can amplify the flow of energy to the pineal gland, facilitating its activation and opening the gateway to higher realms of consciousness. These crystalline allies serve as potent conduits for channeling divine light and wisdom into the body, mind, and spirit. Breathwork. Engaging in pranayama exercises such as alternate nostril breathing or kapalabhati can energize the pineal gland and awaken its latent potential. By harnessing the power of the breath, individuals can clear stagnant energy and awaken the vital life force that animates their being. Incorporating these methods into a holistic wellness regimen can support the activation of the pineal gland and facilitate the journey of spiritual awakening and self-discovery. As we honor the sacred wisdom encoded within this mystical center, we unlock the keys to higher consciousness and embrace the limitless possibilities of our divine potential. At the heart of pineal gland activation lies a profound invitation to transcend the illusion of separation and embrace the interconnectedness of all existence. As we awaken this sacred center of consciousness within ourselves, we begin to recognize that we are not isolated islands, but integral threads in the intricate tapestry of life. An activated pineal gland serves as a beacon of light, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of unity, the recognition that we are all part of a greater whole, bound together by the invisible threads of consciousness. Through the lens of unity consciousness, we come to realize that the divisions and distinctions that separate us are but illusions, and that at our core, we are all manifestations of the same divine essence. Central to the concept of unity is the notion of collective consciousness, the idea that we are all interconnected on a fundamental level, sharing in a common field of awareness that transcends individuality. This collective consciousness serves as the wellspring of shared wisdom, compassion, and love, weaving together the fabric of human experience into a tapestry of unity and harmony. By activating the pineal gland and expanding our awareness, we tap into this collective consciousness, becoming conduits for its transformative power. As we align with the higher frequencies of unity, we contribute to the collective awakening of humanity, ushering in an era of peace, compassion, and understanding. In light of this profound realization, I encourage you to embark on your own journey of pineal gland activation. Whether through meditation, sun gazing, or any of the other techniques mentioned, take the time to explore and nurture the dormant potential within you. As you awaken the pineal gland and expand your consciousness, you not only transform your own life, but also contribute to the elevation of collective consciousness, bringing us one step closer to unity and harmony on a global scale. Together, let us embrace the inherent interconnectedness of all existence and work towards a future guided by the principles of love, compassion, and unity. For in the realization of our oneness lies the key to unlocking the boundless potential of the human spirit and ushering in a new era of peace and enlightenment for all beings. In conclusion, the pineal gland stands as our organ of unity, a sacred center of consciousness that holds the key to unlocking the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we awaken this mystical gland and expand our awareness, we come to realize that we are all interconnected, part of a greater whole that transcends individuality and separation. By nurturing the activation of the pineal gland, we tap into the transformative power of unity consciousness, contributing to the collective awakening of humanity and ushering in a new era of peace, compassion, and understanding. Through practices such as meditation, sun gazing, and sound healing, we can harness the inherent wisdom encoded within the pineal gland and embark on a journey of spiritual growth and self-discovery. I invite you to join me on this profound journey of exploration and transformation. Like, share, and subscribe for more content related to spiritual growth and well-being. Together, let us illuminate the path to enlightenment and embrace the unity that lies at the heart of our shared human experience.